Hi angels, I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are unboxing a ton, it's all behind me, a ton of new makeup and skincare that I just received in PR. So if you want to see a ton of new makeup and skincare releases, just keep watching. Now, before we jump into this video, I would absolutely love to have you as part of my YouTube family. It is completely free, and to join, all you have to do is hit that big red subscribe button down below. You can also hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button, and YouTube will notify you every time I upload. If you want to see more hauls like this, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and it really does help my channel. Now, we do have a lot to get through, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, as always, I want to preface this by saying a huge thank you to all the brands that sent me PR. It does make my job a lot easier. As I'm sure you can imagine, financially, it can be really difficult to keep up with all the new beauty and skincare launches. There are things launching basically every single day, so it really does help me out when brands send me items to try. So the first brand that sent me a package is NARS. Now, this is their brand new light reflecting foundation. This foundation has been getting so much hype, and I'm actually wearing it today. It really is worth the hype. It's an amazing foundation. It's definitely light to medium coverage, but there's actually skincare ingredients in this as well, which is just a great thing to know that as you're wearing your makeup, it's actually helping your skin. So they kindly sent me over 3 different shades. One of them I am wearing today, which is Fiji, and then they sent me 2 other shades, Gobi and Deauville. So that's light 3 and light 4. So these are what the shades look like that they kindly gifted me, and it does have a pump, which is amazing. So very easy to use. I like to apply mine with a sponge. And of course, I will be linking all of these products down below if you do want to check them out for yourself. The next package I have here is very exciting because you actually cannot find these products yet in Canada. At least I haven't been able to find them. This is the brand new Gilded Flora collection from MILANI, which includes brand new shades of their Color Fetish Matte Lipstick, which I am absolutely obsessed with. Their more nude shades of these lipsticks went completely viral a few months ago. It did bring us some new shades, so there are 6 new shades. Now, I have been using these quite a bit, and I couldn't find one of the shades, but I do have 5 of them here to show you. So they are more pinks and berries, also perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm really hoping these arrive in Canada soon, and I will definitely be updating you as soon as I see them in store on my TikTok and Instagram. So if you're not following me there, make sure you do. Also, if you want to see me swatch all of these brand new lipsticks from MILANI, head over to my TikTok. I did a full video there. Also, with this collection, they came out with a new tinted lip balm. This is their clear gloss, which you can get this in Canada now. A Gilded Flora eyeshadow palette to go with the collection. This actually matches what I'm wearing perfectly. Such a gorgeous palette. I also sent over this eye, cheek, and face palette. I do not believe you can get this in Canada yet. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I haven't seen it. And that is what the palette looks like here. A great all-in-one palette there. This is their new mascara, which is the Anti-Gravity Mascara. And as always, if there are certain products you want to see me try out first, please let me know in the comments below. They also sent over 4 of their lip oils. Now, people have been going absolutely crazy for lip oils lately, especially the Dior Lip Glow Oil. So I'm very excited to try these out and compare them to the Dior one. I'm actually not a huge fan of the Dior one, and it's very expensive. So they did send me over these lip oils. We have Passion Fruit Coconut, Strawberry Melon, Cherry Lime, and Raspberry Peach. They all sound amazing, especially for spring and summer. These are going to be fantastic. They also came out with 3 shadow sticks in these gorgeous purple and brown shades. Of course, to go along with the new lipsticks, they did come out with lip liners as well. I will be wearing these constantly, so I can't wait to do different lip combos with these. Thank you so much, MILANI. I am so grateful. Next up, Quo Beauty sent me this gorgeous red box. This is their limited edition Lunar New Year collection. If you follow me on TikTok, you would have seen me try their glitter lip balm. But they did send a few more items as well. I love that they did a collection specifically for Lunar New Year and Year of the Tiger. So the first thing they sent is this gorgeous lucky knot here. This is so beautiful. A very thoughtful gift. This was handcrafted by a graphic design student. And she is Vietnamese and did this gorgeous knot here. Also for Year of the Tiger, this very fitting spa headband with these tiger stripes. And you can find all of these items at Shoppers. I have seen the displays at my local Shoppers location. We also have a gua sha here. And this gua sha is made of tiger eye stone. Again, perfect for Year of the Tiger. I love using gua shas and jade rollers, so I will definitely put this to good use. They came out with 3 multi-purpose pigment sticks in this little set. A blending sponge in this gorgeous red color. I've heard amazing things about their sponges. Also sent over this bracelet set. A really beautiful sparkly red nail polish. This will also be perfect for Valentine's Day. I think I'm going to use this after these nails here. I also want to give a shout out to these nails. They are made by a Canadian nail artist. You can find her on Etsy, and you can also use my code JSapproved to save 10% on her Etsy shop. She did these custom Valentine's Day nails for me, and I am absolutely obsessed with them. She has so many different designs on her Etsy, so I will leave that linked down below. They also sent over this eyeshadow palette here with 3 different shades, and then the glitter balm that I did show on TikTok. It is absolutely gorgeous. And this looks like it could be a pretty good dupe for the Tom Ford one. I do not own the Tom Ford one, but they look pretty similar. Thank you so much, Quo Beauty. You always send over amazing packages, and you can find all of these items at Shoppers Drug Mart. The next package I have here is from a Canadian CBD company that I have talked about quite a few times on my channel here, and that is Hydrated Leaf. So they did send over their new CBD gummies. These are in sweet blackberry. It is 20 milligrams of CBD per gummy. They also sent over the Hydrated Leaf Relief Balm. So this is a topical CBD balm. 2 of their CBD tinctures. One is in a 500 milligram strength and the other in 1,000. So thank you, Hydrated Leaf, for keeping me fully stocked on my CBD. I absolutely love CBD products, and I've been using CBD for at least 4 or 5 years now, so thank you so much for those goodies. Next package here is from PIXI. Now, every year, I think every year, they send over a custom glow tonic to their influencers to last us the year. It is a big, huge bottle. It would probably last more than a year, but it does say Jessica's Glow Tonic on it. This is such a cult classic product that so many people swear by, so thank you so much, PIXI, for sending that special bottle over. Well, let me tell you, when this e.l.f. package showed up at my door, I actually screamed of joy and excitement. I've been wanting to try this new Cookies and Dreams collection, and it magically appeared at my door thanks to the team at e.l.f. And I'm sure my delivery man or woman thought I was crazy because I screamed when I saw it. But this collection just looks so amazing, so well done, so yummy. e.l.f. has been absolutely killing it lately with their new releases, and this is my first ever PR package from e.l.f., so this is super exciting for me. And wait until I show you what the PR package looks like. So they actually sent over the collection in this glass cookie jar, which you could definitely reuse again for cookies or bath bombs or bath salts or really anything, dog treats. And I just think this was such a well thought out PR package, and I just love everything about it. Let me show you what arrived inside the jar. So we have the Cookies and Dreams Overnight Mask. There is a brand new set of 3 brushes. And these are eye brushes. Adorable sponge here. A Cookies and Dreams eyeshadow palette. A Cookies and Dreams putty primer. And the packaging for this putty primer looks just like an Oreo. It is so cute, and apparently this smells amazing. And I haven't smelled it yet, so I'm going to smell it here with you. It smells just like Hershey's Cookies and Cream bars. And it looks like a standard putty primer, but it just has that delicious cookie scent to it. This collection has 4 new No Budge shadow sticks. We have a baby blue, a black, a white, and a dark brown. Also a lip exfoliator. Last but not least, 3 new lip glosses. I already tried the black one on my TikTok if you want to go check that out. It really doesn't turn up. It really doesn't look too black once it's on your lips. It's very, very sheer with just a hint of kind of black or blue. And then, of course, the cookie jar is not complete without real cookies, so they also sent over these chocolate-covered Oreos. Oreos are one of my absolute favorite snacks, so I'm so excited to try these, but of course I wanted to show you first before I ate them. The next package here is from La Roche-Posay. This is my first ever PR package from them, and I haven't tried a lot of their skincare products, so I'm very excited to test these out. This is their, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Lipikar Balm. So this is a triple action balm, anti-itching, repairing, and immediate soothing. And then they also sent over their Cicaplast Balm as well. Next we have another box from PIXI here. This is one of their new collections. This is their Rose collection here. So we have an Essence oil skincare product. We have a glowy powder which can be used as blush or highlighter, a lip nourisher lip balm, and then a radiance perfector. These all look amazing and I can't wait to try them. Thank you, PIXI. This box is from a brand I've never received PR from before, but I'm very, very excited about it. This is from SKYLAR Clean Beauty. So they make beautiful fragrances and also candles as well. So they sent over 2 of their fragrances. So we have Pink Canyon. This one is grapefruit, pink salt, and cedar. And then we also have Coconut Cove, and I believe this is their newer scent. This is bergamot, coconut, and amber. And I'll show you what the bottles look like here. They're really gorgeous, classy bottles. So this is what the bottle looks like here. They also make candles in some of their scents as well. So this is Capri Summer, and this is bergamot, neroli, and blood orange. So a citrus scent, and the candle is absolutely gorgeous. Something that's really important to note, it's made from sustainable soy coconut wax. So soy wax burns a lot longer and it's actually a lot better for you as well versus paraffin wax. So this is what the candle looks like here, and the color is stunning, perfect for spring and summer. So thank you so much, SKYLAR, for those goodies. The next package here is from Makeup Revolution. They have some new skincare goodies. So the card here says, new year, new self-care routine. Everything is vegan and cruelty-free. So let me show you what they sent over. This is the Coconut Restore Fixing Spray. Sounds amazing. I love coconut scented anything. This is the Eye Injection Under Eye Serum. This is a Lip Plump Maximizer, and something that's interesting about this, it contains vitamin E, vitamin C, castor oil, shea butter. So lots of great ingredients. I have a peanut on my lap right now, if you're wondering why everything is moving. And the last item they sent over is an under eye primer. Very excited to use this. So this is supposed to smooth out fine lines under your eyes. So thank you so much, Makeup Revolution. You always send over such generous, amazing packages. We have a box from another Canadian CBD brand. And this is one I've never tried before. This is called Duo Senses. So again, these are all made in Canada and they contain all natural ingredients and of course CBD oil. So we have the Duo Senses CBD Body Cream. Also sent over their CBD Face Cream. And in addition to those creams, they sent over 2 of their CBD oil rollers. So this is the Nurturing CBD oil roller and the Calming CBD oil roller. And how you use these, you actually just apply these to pressure points. So your wrists, your temples, the back of your neck, or the bottoms of your feet, or all 4. And it's supposed to instantly, for this one, calm you if you're feeling very anxious or stressed. So this one contains things like lavender, essential oil, tea tree, chamomile, and of course CBD as well. So if you want to check them out, I will leave their website linked down below. The last package I have to show you today is from a Canadian small business. We love supporting local Canadian businesses. This brand is called Bush Balm. So Bush Balm is an all-natural skincare and ingrown hair prevention product line, specifically but not limited to targeting the pubic area, bikini line, underarms, legs, or anywhere else you might get bumps or irritation from hair removal. So they sent over their Francesca. This is their grooming device here. Very classy, white and gold. Also their Sweet Escape Ingrown Hair Oil. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. I think they have really nice packaging from what I saw on the website. So this packaging is so cute and classy, would look great on your bathroom counter. So this is the Sweet Escape Ingrown Hair Oil, and it does have a pump here. And to go with that, we have the Sweet Escape Scrub. I love a good scrub, and this one is specifically for rejuvenating dull skin. Last but not least, they sent over their dark spot treatment oil. So the oil to eradicate dark spots. So very, very excited to try these out. Thank you so much, Bush Bomb. Okay, my loves, that brings us to the end of today's PR unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. Make sure you do give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. It truly means the world to me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.